All right, welcome back, everybody, and let's go ahead and finish off this animation with some little fine details. Okay, so I want to add some actual little twinkles here. So let's see what I've got going. So I'm going to turn these stars off. I'm going to turn, let's see, I'll turn these ones off. And let's get to here. And they kind of all go, I didn't really make any go big there, did I? That's why they all look like they turned off. Ah, I see what I did. Okay, well, we're going to remedy that right now. So instead of making some go small, let's go ahead and make some of them go bigger and twinkle. A little bigger. Okay, I want to go add a little little twinkle line. Let's see my fluid brush. Do I have... Not on the fluid brush. That would help. Pressure, velocity. Do have taper. There we go. Okay. Let's make this smaller. Struggling here. There we go. Good enough. We'll do one more twinkle on this one. Let's see. Let's do one up here. All right. Let's turn that pressure down. There we go. All right, cool. And let's copy this frame. I'm going to copy that frame and place it somewhere else. Let's go copy frame, and then let's have it do the same one. Not every one, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again there. Paste frame. And then I'll skip a few. Let's see, that's this one when they get small. Forgetting which one it is. Okay, not that one. But that one. All right, let's paste it again here. Paste frame. All right, let's see here. All right, a little more random. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn that one off. Turn that one on, and let's do the same thing to this one. Let's see, I'll make one twinkle about here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave those ones as they are. And I'm going to add a twinkle to one of those stars. That's what I'll do. One of the ones that doesn't normally change. So let's see. All right, so let's go to that one here. That frame. Let me zoom in. I had my eye on one here. On you. And hopefully this will help with my feel of a little bit of randomness now. All right, let's do another one over here. And I'll do it to a star that's not changing. Let's do it to one of these down here. Okay, that one does change. So let's do it to this one over here. Totally missed. All right, let's watch it here. Let me see if I feel like I need another one somewhere else. Okay, I think I need something right in the middle here somewhere. All right, let's zoom in again. Let's see what changes and doesn't change. Okay, that one doesn't change. This one right here. Let's go ahead and add a little something to that one. There we go. Let me hit the fit on screen, fit in window, I mean. Let's see if I feel like I need another one somewhere else. I got a couple there. I feel like that one needs a twinkle. Let's go here. This little one right here. Zoom in a bit. All right, let's watch it. Let's see. All right, that feels like a very lively night sky. Well, I guess it's always night if it's in space. All right, I see another one that wants to twinkle. Right here. All right, cool. All right, I think I'm happy with that. We'll play it one more time. All right, cool. All right, yeah, I like it. One last thing to add. One last thing. I just want to add a little shooting star, and this is going to be super duper easy. So let's go ahead and I'm going to lock all my layers. I'm going to add a new layer. We'll put you on top. That's a shooting star, isn't it? Shooting. I know it's going to ding me for making a space, so I'll just preemptively avoid that. Shooting star. And I think I wanted to go at the end, kind of like now, like right around here. I want the star to kind of shoot across down there. Okay, so I just need, but I'm going to do it by moving a symbol. And it's going to be very, very easy. So let's just go ahead and let's create a new symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert, New Symbol. I'll call it Shooting Star Symbol. Okay, and now I can't see it because it is a white screen, and that's one thing I'm not crazy about with the when you make a new symbol. If I want to draw in white, which I don't know, seems to happen more often than I would think it would. I can't draw, and you can't see. All right, so I just want to draw this kind of like, looks like a comet. Who knows what it is? Maybe it's a comet. Maybe it's a shooting star. Let's give it a longer tail. Bring the size down a little bit. Now let's add another big one over there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, I am going to draw this in, or make it white, I believe. But let's go ahead and animate it like this, and then we'll just change it white later because I can't see what it is. Actually, you know what? Let's drag it in and then animate it, and I'll be able to see it better and just change it one time. So let me get back out to my scene here, and let's go ahead and go to my library. And now I've got a shooting star. Let's go ahead and drag it in. And there it is. And I will worry about its placement later and all that. Right now I just want to animate it. And I'm going to change the size. I definitely want it smaller than that. Just want to make it a small little thing here. Shooting in the background, maybe a little bigger. Okay, cool. I'm going to just get in my symbol here. All right, let's change it to white by dumping in white. Come on, there we go. Okay, and I'm just going to flicker this in 2s here. So let's go ahead and add, I'll just do like 3, a little cycle of 3 here. 2s or, yeah, 2s. I want it to flicker faster. So let's do 6 frames. And let's go ahead and add frames, just regular old frames. And then now I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3, my 3rd frame. And I'm going to do a new blank keyframe because I want to redraw it. And I'm going to do onion skin. This is a little recap basically of what we did with the fire, just really, really quickly. And let's see, I want this line to turn into that line. So it's going to break off and go there. See, this one is going to turn into that little line there. And it's just rough. This is like a rough in between. Doesn't even matter if it's precise. Probably will be imperceptible. And make that will just become a little tiny line. I just want it to have some movement as it flies across. I don't want like a static shooting star. Because who wants a static shooting star? Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to go to frame 5 and add another blank keyframe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I added too many, then I added 7. I will remove that. Remove frame. All right, now I'm where I want to be. I have got my onion skin on there. All right, let's see, that's going to become that. That's going to become that. Get a little smaller. That's going to become that. That's going to have another little breakaway part there. Let's go ahead and add the front of it. All right. And that'll kind of grow into that. And it's, again, it's so small and so fast across the screen that it's probably not even going to matter. But you will see movement. Better. There we go. I'll take that. All right, let me see here what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my onion skin off. All right. That'll work for me. Let me double check my cycle here. Where is my, there you are, just tiny. Yeah, it looks alive. All right, cool. Let me go back to my scene now. And let me go to fit. Actually, show all. Okay, so I want to start here, and I want to move this thing off the screen. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a simple little keyframe here right at the end. Okay, now I just got to move it behind the planet here, and I got to change my location of my layer so it goes behind it. Let's go ahead and do that because that'll ruin the whole thing. So it's got to go behind the planet. There it is. Now I can go ahead and do a classic tween, and then let's see what it looks like. Okay, I want to make it a little faster. Okay, so let's make it faster. And I'm going to go ahead and move this frame this way by a bit. All right, let's see. That's better. Maybe a little sooner. Against all this timing, I'm going to move you over here. Attempt to move you over here. There we go. But I still want it to go fast, so let's go ahead and shorten this. Okay, that'll work for me. Let's go ahead and pause it. Let me fill my frame, and I think we're just about done here. Let's play it one last time from the beginning. Or loop it at least. Let's see. All right, we got some animation on the fire. We've got the lights blinking, we've got twinkling stars, and we've even got a shooting star flying across the screen. So lots of little things you can do. There's just a little bit of information in this program, just learning how to use the symbols, how to cycle things in the back, some basic animation techniques, and you can make some fun little scenes like this. I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys had some fun on this video. Hopefully you made some really cool rockets and planets and stars twinkling and everything. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.